Hello everyone, today we got this rubber band ball and now we will crush it. Let's start. Let's start. As you see, that's everything that left from our rubber band ball. It's totally crushed. Look at that. It looks like spaghetti. Very tasty. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. It looks like mom's spaghetti. Let's take a closer look. Look at this, guys. It looks like some rice. And it smells of burning rubber everywhere, and it looks amazing. Hope guys you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.